Let's begin with the star of the show, the tomatoes. The journey of ketchup starts in sprawling tomato fields. Farmers harvest ripe red tomatoes at the peak of their freshness. These tomatoes then undergo a thorough cleansing to remove any dirt or impurities. The tomatoes are then chopped and blended into a smooth puree. This puree is the base for the ketchup, providing the characteristic tomato flavor we all love. Once the tomatoes have been blended, it's time to add some flavor. A mix of spices, sugar, and vinegar is added to the puree to give ketchup its signature tangy sweet taste. The specific blend of spices can vary, but usually includes onions, garlic, and a secret blend of spices that gives each brand its unique flavor profile. The tomato spice blend is cooked under high heat. This step helps to concentrate the flavors and thicken the mixture. As it simmers, the water in the mixture evaporates, leaving behind a thick, glossy sauce. The cooked ketchup then goes through a straining process to remove any seeds or skin that may have been left behind. What's left is a smooth, velvety ketchup that's ready for bottling. But wait, there's one more step before the ketchup gets to you. The ketchup is filled into bottles, which are then sealed and labeled. This bottling process happens in a sterile environment to ensure that the ketchup stays fresh and safe to eat. So, there you have it. The journey of a tomato from the vine to the bottle of ketchup is a fascinating one, isn't it? The transformation from a simple, juicy fruit to a beloved condiment involves a lot of steps, each crucial to achieving that perfect balance of sweet, tangy, and savory that we all adore. In factories, this process is done on a much larger scale. Giant machines handle the washing, chopping, blending, and cooking of thousands of pounds of tomatoes. These factories also have labs where the ketchup is tested for quality and consistency, ensuring that every bottle that leaves the factory is up to standard. So next time you squeeze that ketchup onto your fries, think about the journey it's taken to get there. From the farm to the factory to your plate, it's truly a journey worth savoring.